The next one, Openclaw config validate, right? So you can stop breaking things before they break, if that makes sense. So this is quite an interesting one. What changed is there's a brand new command. It's called Openclaw config validate, right? And what it does is before you start up your entire Openclaw setup, you can now check if your settings are correct first, right? So basically, it's like a spell checker, but for your AI configuration on Openclaw, and it can catch errors before they cause problems. Now, this is useful for you because like one typo in a config file used to mean like hours of troubleshooting. And I think we've all been there with Openclaw. Now you can run one command and it tells you exactly what's wrong and where, right? And you can even run Openclaw validate JSON to get a clean structured error report. There's some other cool stuff as well. So for example, one of the most popular messaging apps in Vietnam, Zalo, used by over 70 million people, is now added inside Openclaw 2. And there's 100 security fixes. You can see a list of all of them right here. Some other cool stuff that didn't make the big headlines. So this is the big headline inside the tweet in terms of what came in. But if we go back to the updates, some other stuff worth knowing. So you can use locally hosted AI for memory search now with Olama. You can attach files when spawning subagents. You can reload the config. You get transcripts of what the AI agent actually heard if you want that. You can do Docker health checks, which means you can just check if you're running it via Docker, you can check if it's healthy or not, right? And then you got funny startup messages as well. So it's called a plugin banner taglines. And basically this means when it starts up, it gives you funny messages. That's essentially it. So this is basically how it works. And you might be wondering, okay, who is this update for? So let me talk you through that, right? So if you're a business owner, then the PDF tool and the Telegram updates are going to give you like better customer facing AI bots, right? If you're an e-commerce seller, then multi-agent ACP coordination automates more of your workflows. If you're a content creator, the Telegram updates with live messages just makes AI interactions feel more natural for you and your audience, especially if you're showing this stuff. And then it can also use Olama memory, and it's got more security patches as well. If you're based in Vietnam, obviously it's using Zalo now. And if you're just an AI hobbyist, then there's 100 extra fixes, which means things actually work better now. And that's basically it. So that's how to update, that's how to use it. You can see it's working quite nicely here. Pretty easy to set up. Even, for example, we updated the CLI as well directly using this too. And you can now use ACP agents. So just to recap, the too long didn't read. Openclaw is a free tool that connects AI models to messaging apps and automates workflows. Version the 2nd of March is one of the biggest updates yet. The 6 big headline features are Telegram live messages, ACP subagents on by default, native PDF tool, the config validator, Zalo plugin, and 100 security fixes. If you're struggling, you know how to fix it, as you've seen today, if you've seen any issues. And if you're new, this is one of the best free automation tools available right now. And this update just makes it better. Right. And the other thing I would say here is like they seem to be prioritizing security in each of these updates. That's basically how to get Openclaw, how to use it, how to set it up. If you want all the links, we've got it inside the video notes, inside the AI Profit Boardroom today. This also comes with a 6-hour masterclass on Openclaw and another 3-hour one, as you can see right here, with full courses and setup guides and everything else on all the best use cases. We're constantly updating this community with all the new updates. So you can see we've actually added 6 updates today on the newest updates. Yesterday, we covered mission control for Openclaw, how to use Openclaw with Claude Code as well. We've also got other stuff on like Openclaw versus alternatives like Accomplish. I've pretty much tested like all the big alternatives to Openclaw, and that's basically how to use it. Now, if you want to check this out, this is the AI Profit Boardroom, link in the comments description, or just go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com. And if you want to learn how to save time, scale, and grow with AI automation, this is one of the best places.